Hello dear students, welcome to Sri Shraddha English Medium School. Standard 5th Grammar. The noun, chapter number 7, the noun. Number. We already learned that what is the noun. Definition of noun. How many types of nouns. Today we are going to learn number. If we have only one thing, if we have one pencil, we will say, I have a pencil. But if we have two or another ज़्यादा हो तो क्या करेंगे? That we will say that the pencils. Clear? So nouns can be in singular number and plural number. Two numbers of nouns, singular and plural. We all know that if there are one thing at singular and if there are more things, it will be plural. But if we are going to convert singular forms from plural forms, then what should we do? We have to follow the rules of the singular and plural. Let's see the rules. How to form plurals. If we have singular noun, how can we convert it in plural? So we will see some rules of that. Let's see. Most nouns form their plurals by adding s in the end. We will add s in the end of the noun to convert the thing, otherwise the noun, from singular to the plural. Let's see the example. Bag. The plural form will be bags. Means we have add s in the singular noun. Bag, bags. Pencil, pencils. Clear? Now we can see that our first rule is most nouns form their plurals by adding s in the end. मीन्स कि हमें जो सिंगुलर नाउन है उसमें हमें एंड में एस लगाना है ताकि हमारा सिंगुलर नाउन प्लूरल में कन्वर्ट हो जाए. क्लियर? लेट्स सी द सेकंड रूल. Nouns that ends in ch, remember that in ch, sh, s, ss or x, nouns end. We have to see the end words of the noun. Then form their plurals by adding es. If our nouns end with s, ch, double s, sh, x, what will we do? We have to add es to the singular at the last. We will see the example. Bench. Our noun is bench. It ends with ch. So, by the rule of our grammar, we will add es to the end of the noun and that will be converted into plural. Bench, benches. We had add es. To our noun bench because bench word at last we can see that the ch. So we have to write down last es to convert in plural. Understand? हमें ग्रामर में ch वाले ss वाले जब एंड होते हैं नाउन के तो उससे सिंगुलर में से प्लूरल में कन्वर्ट करते वक्त es लगाना है. क्लियर? थर्ड रूल. नाउन दैट एंड इन consonant plus y, that is the consonant plus y. We all know about consonants and vowels. Consonant plus y from their plurals by changing y into ies. If we have last y in our noun and y यहाँ पर m Okay, Y and M means consonant. Consonant plus Y. What will we have to do? We will remove the Y. We will remove the Y. Then we will add IES to the plural forms. Clear? If our noun ends with consonant plus Y, we will remove the Y and we will add IES to the end of our noun to make it plural from singular. Clear? Now, fourth rule of our grammar. Nouns that end in vowel plus Y. In the third rule, we saw that the noun ends with consonant plus Y. But in the fourth rule, we can see that noun that end in the vowel plus Y. Vowel plus Y. Then what should we do? From their plurals by ending to S, only S. We have to add only S, just like boy. End with Y and vowel. Vowel plus Y. Y के आगे vowel है, यहाँ पर Y के आगे consonant था. So we remove the Y. But if Y ends and with vowel, so we cannot remove the Y. So we cannot remove the Y, but we have to add only S. Then it will become plural. Boy, that boys. Clear? Now we will see the fifth rules. Nouns that end in F. Nouns that end with F or FE. F or FE. Form their plurals by changing F or FE into VES. Remember that if our noun ends with F, otherwise FE, first of all we have to see the end of the noun. Then we can decide what rule we will follow. First of all, we have to see the end of the noun. Clear? If the noun is end with F or FE, what will we do? We will do YES. We will remove F or FE. Then we will add VES to the end of the noun. Knife. Knives. We remove FE and then we add VES to make the plural. अगर हमारा नाउन F और FE से एंड करता है तो हमें प्लूरल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करते वक्त F या FE को निकाल देना है और VES ऐड करना है. तो ये 5 रूल्स हुए हमारे. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, नेक्स्ट पार्ट में आगे के 5 रूल्स को अच्छे से समझेंगे. तो आई थिंक कि आपको ये 5 रूल्स जो कन्वर्ट करने के हैं वो समझ में आ गए होंगे. नेक्स्ट वीडियो हमारा इस चैप्टर का जो पार्ट 2 है उसमें नेक्स्ट रूल्स को हम समझेंगे. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे एंड टेक केयर.